Well, hello everybody. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome to Vespa Wednesday. For you, it's Wednesday. For me, it is a beautiful Friday morning. Out for a Vespa ride. Going to meet up with the Vespa Club of Sarasota. Just want to introduce you to my Vespa. This is a 2022 Vespa GTS 300 Supertech in Grigio Delgado, which is basically, I think, light blue. Like I said, this is a 2022 Vespa Supertech. What makes it a Supertech is you just get some digital goodies up here. Instead of the typical analog display, you get some connectivity and digital goodies. I added the rear top case after I bought it, and this little rack down here. But otherwise, it's a stock 300. She'll cruise pretty well, twist and go. Great for down here in Florida. Running around the key. I have had it on the highway. It'll do 65. It's got a little pep. But no, it's perfect. I like it for twist and go and running around here in Florida. Perfectly augments my Spyder, which is a totally different machine, but this is just fun and nimble and, you know, fun little get around machine. So right now, let's go for a little ride. I'll take you across the bridge downtown to the Vespa Club of Sarasota meetup this morning. We're going to meet up for coffee and waffles. It's a Friday 8 a.m. thing every week. So let's get started and I'll take you for a little ride. Different perspective here on the little Vespa. We got a short little, probably a 10-minute ride over to coffee. Probably won't be that long for you. So we'll see how the wind noise is in this. I think it's going to be a little gusty. I'm working on the audio for Vespa content. Vespa just fits the lifestyle down here in Florida. To me, I think of Vespas and scooters and all that stuff and warm climates and running up and down the Keys and motoring around to the beach. You see a lot of scooters here. So for me, the Vespa life really shines here in Florida versus back home in Michigan. I do ride the Vespa in Michigan, but it just doesn't have that same feel and vibe as it does here in Florida, but it's always fun. I forget how fun it is. I ride the Spyder so much now that I jump back on this thing and really appreciate how kind of twist and go and nimble and, you know, just kind of rip around through the little areas that you can't quite get through in the Spyder being so big. But the two are opposite ends of the spectrum on wheeled machines. But yeah, love the Vespa life. Glad I got the 300. I was just going to get a 150, but 300 is a little beefier for around town, but she can open up on the highway, get yourself out of situations. You know, 278 cc's, not too shabby for a little frame like this. But yeah, just got a little more oomph than the 150s. I had a 50cc a long time ago, and that just didn't have enough to keep up with what I needed at the time. So just went right for the 300, and then I can just decide how fast I want to go. Beautiful morning down here. So I'll take you through a little bit of the downtown of Sarasota. This is a little bit of the downtown area of Sarasota. Haven't been through here on my Spyder with you guys yet, but nice little downtown. It's got some pockets of kitschiness. Murals, some murals on the walls here. Vespa's good for jaunting around the city. The longest ride I've ever taken on this is about 100 miles. I thought I wanted to go to the Keys and back on this, which I still might do, but once I got the Spyder, oh my gosh, this just seems so out of place to take to the Keys. But I think I want to try it just to see what it's like. I'll take you on some rides with the Vespa Club. There'll be some rides this winter where we all gather. There's probably, I don't know, we'll get 20 of us together. I don't know if you caught my Christmas lights ride video, but that's who I was with, was the Vespa Club of Sarasota. I was on the Spyder at the time, but they do a lot of fun rides. They also have a YouTube channel, so if you look up the Vespa Club of Sarasota, you'll find them there. I'm a little early, so I'll probably be the first one at Vespa Coffee today. Usually have a pretty good turnout. Let me know if you guys have any, what your second machines are like. Obviously, I've got the Spyder, but let me know what you guys have for your second machines you've been hiding away. I've mentioned this on the channel before, just never brought it out in the spotlight, so I figured why not go for a few rides. This is the downtown area. Straight ahead is the marina and the Ringling Bridge, which I've taken you over on the Spyder. Going to make a left here, and then on the right is the Waffle Monkey, where we're going to meet up this morning. I am really early, but here is the Waffle Monkey. Set up a line of Vespas right here, probably. Well guys, that's a short video this morning. I'm at the Waffle Monkey for the Friday meetup, so I hope you like this video. Plan on sprinkling some Vespa content in on Wednesdays. Don't freak out. I'll have the normal Spyder stuff on Saturdays for you guys. So anyway, hope you liked the video. I'll catch you in the next one.